what's up, guys? I just wanted to talk about. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for this to be long, but I hit 1,000 views, and I'm so happy. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I just need to get my other video. So I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I couldn't upload because of school and stuff. About the projects, tasks, exams. Yeah, so I couldn't upload as much because most of the time I needed to do studying. So I'm sorry, but whenever a chance I get, I will upload. And I'm sorry for not uploading for a few weeks. I was sick too in the other week. If you're talking about the other week, I was sick. And for the other week after that, I still was sick. Yeah, I was sick. It was really bad. Anyways, so I know what to say now. Bye.